In this video, we are going to talk about cracking knuckles. What causes cracking sound? Knuckle cracking is often done to relieve stress or nervousness. Did you know what really happens inside the hand? Let's see. Synovial fluid is the lubricant-like substance that found between your joints. Its function is to reduce friction between joints when you move. Here is our clear picture. When you crack a knuckle or when you pull off your finger, you stretch out the space between bones. That expanding space creates negative pressure like a vacuum. The negative pressure sucks the synovial fluid into the stretched out space. And then the gases dissolve within the synovial fluid like oxygen, carbon dioxide or compressed and form of a bubble. Then this bubble bursts, making that familiar cracking sound. Crack or pop that you hear is actually the sound of bubble forming inside your synovial fluid. And one more thing is, if you take an x-ray of a joint right after cracking, you can actually see the bubble. In order to crack the same knuckle again, you have to wait about 20 to 30 minutes until the gas returns to the fluid between the joint. Are you thinking, is cracking knuckle bad for me? Answer is no. Several studies have shown that knuckle cracking does not lead to arthritis. Cracking knuckles over a long period of time led to hand swelling and decreased grip strength. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.